For God so loved the world, that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him, shall not perish but have eternal life. John chapter 3, verse 16.
Hello friend. Welcome to our special corner.
Today I will be discussing on how to make a group frequency distribution table. Our data is the ages of 40 students. Ages of 40 students are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. In making a table for group frequency distribution, we will make 5 columns. First column is the age or the class interval. Second column is the F or the number of students. Third column is the frequency distribution. Fourth column is the class mark. And the fifth column is the class boundaries. For class interval, we will use 2 as our interval. So 12 to 13, 14 to 15, 16 to 17, and 18 to 19. So next, we will count the number of students. Let's start in ages 12 to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. We will write it here on the F column. Okay. Next, students ages from 14 to 15. So we'll count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 students. Next, students ages 16 to 17. We will count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 students. Lastly, students ages 18 to 19. So we will count it. 1, 2. So we have 2 students. Okay. Here, we will add the total population according to the number of students. So we will add this 10 plus 5 or 10 plus 15 plus 13 and plus 2. There are 40. So our population is 40. So we should not forget to put capital letter N for as representation of population. So our population is 40. Now we will go to our frequency distribution. So how are we going to do this? So frequency distribution, we will just simply add. So first, put we will put it here. So 10. So 10 plus 15 equals 25. Okay. 25 plus 13 equals 38. Okay. 38 plus 2 equals 40. Alright. Next, we will proceed to the class mark. How are we going to get the class mark? So the formula is higher age plus lower age over 2. Okay, here we will start 12 to 13. So 13 plus 12 over 2. Okay, so 13 plus 12 equals 25. 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5. Okay. So our class mark in the age 12 to 13 is 12.5. Okay. What about in ages 14 to 15? Okay, 14 to 15. We will use the same formula. So 14 plus 15 over 2. Okay. So 14 plus 15 is equals to 29 over 2. So the answer of this is 14.5. Okay, we will write it here, 14.5. And then I will just answer for the class mark of 16 to 17. So 16 to 17 would be 16.5. 18 to 19 would be 18.5. We will now proceed for our class boundaries. Okay. So what is the formula for class boundaries and how are we going to compute this class boundaries? Okay. This is just the formula for class boundaries. Okay. The lower age minus 0.5 and the highest age is add 0.5. Alright, so the formula for class boundaries is lower age minus 0.5 and the higher age plus 0.5. So higher age plus 0.5. So here 12 minus 0.5 would be 11.5 to 13. We will add 0.5, so it will become 13.5. Alright, next here in 14 to 15. 14 minus 0.5 would be 13.5. The higher age plus 5, 15.5. Okay. For the third one, it would be 15.5 to 17.5. Lastly, 17.5 to 19.5. So this is how are we going to make the group frequency distribution table.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na to, please like and click the subscribe button below. Have a good day!